I get 35,000. The first video I post, I get 35,000. The second video I post within that 2 years, I get 10k viewers. Welcome back, guys. Why you should quit on YouTube? Because of you are not getting viewers, you are not getting subscribers. You are on YouTube for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, maybe 1 year. You didn't get even 1,000 subscribers. You didn't get your 4,000 watching hour. You decided now today I'm going to quit. I don't want to continue with this. No, it's not time to quit now. Now, if you are watching this video, don't quit. Why I'm saying that? I myself, when I was coming on YouTube, guys, my first video, I get 35,000. The first video I post, I get 35,000. The second video I post within that 2 years, I get 10k viewers. Then I quit. Okay, I quit. I stopped totally YouTube. I say I'm not going to use YouTube anymore. Then I came back last 3 months ago. So you can understand, this is the time I came back to YouTube. My first video after 2 years, I quit on YouTube because I was using another channel. I was not using this one. So I was using that, my main account. I didn't use this one. So this one was like my ninja. I just create and I posted these 2 videos, then I stopped from there. It's not like I quit. I was been posting. I didn't count this one as my YouTube channel. Now I'm talking to you. So I came back on this channel last 3 months. So now the first video I posted is this one, how I make money on YouTube without not subscriber. This was my first video. You see, this was my first video. I get 83 viewers. My first video after 2 years to come back on this channel. Then the second video, following video, was again 65 viewers. The best way to get more YouTuber viewers increasing. This was my second video. My third video was 85. You see, after 2 years, I didn't use this channel for posting, for doing anything. Then after that, I didn't stop. I keep doing until today I'm talking to you. My last video of today is this one. You see how to go on live stream to make your live stream to look like pro, how to go this, how to go this. So you can see my shorts now. These are my shorts. These all are my short videos. You see all this my short videos. These are my live stream. For now, this is my live stream. This channel now is monetized, it's making money. But if I could say I'm going to quit, guys, if I could say like I'm going to quit, now you can see this video is 1.1 million viewers. This one is 302. This one is 40. This one is 55. This was 1.6 million viewers. This one is 2.5. This one is 16. This is 145. This one is 9 something. So you can see for now, after I came back 2 years, I was not going to continue with this channel. No more using. If I could quit to this YouTube channel, as long as I got another YouTube channel, but this was my second account. But now also I'm using, because I monetize, I start making money on this channel. So now I create more video to this channel. So you can understand, if you quit, you are not going to achieve your goal. So don't quit. Maybe take a break. If you feel like, okay, I'm going to take a break, take your break. But when you're going to take a break, you have to know like your channel is going to go down. The second time when you're going to come with something is going to pick straight away, because the second you'll be out of YouTube, not hours, second you'll be out of YouTube, there was million video people are posting your channel and your videos are still going down. So you can understand, if you will be off on YouTube for 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, then the day you are going to come back, you are very, very far to come to pick again, to come back where you were just before. So what you do, the time you know like, okay, I'm going to come back to my YouTube channel like before, to start uploading, to do all this thing, to go to the top where I was before, come with something people that are going to interest, and again you are going to start getting different audience. On that time I'm telling you 100%, no one is gonna stop you. You're going to go to the top. I get my 4,000 watching hour, my 1,000 subscriber within those 3 months. I can say like within 2 weeks I get my 1,000 subscriber. Within 2 to 3 weeks I get 1 million viewers. Now I got 6 million viewers on this channel. I got 18,000 subscribers to this channel, so you can understand the difference is there. And this channel now is only 3 months. I created this one lasted 2 years, but I posted only 2 videos, then I stopped from there. But second time when I came back, I came with totally something different, because I say I'm going to do this for this and I'm doing this other channel for this. So I separate the 2 channels. This is for another thing and this one's for another thing. So this one I gave my monetization, I gave 6 million viewers, I gave 50,000 watching hours reading on that screen of my watching hours. So within 1 month, let me say that. And again, the total channel, the time I came back is only 3 months. You understand? It's just 3 months. So it's just like this. If you want to come on YouTube for making money, it's not. Come YouTube as for fun. When you come YouTube, like, okay, I came YouTube only for fun, then do whatever you're doing. But if you came on YouTube to say like, I'm here to make money, I'm here to make, you're going to be crazy. You are not going to get viewers, you are not going to get anything, and tomorrow you are going to quit on YouTube. So when you came on YouTube, came like, okay, I'm going to have fun only. Like, it's just a need, I need only to do this. It's not like something I depend on it. I want to make money, then my daily life to be on this. The time you start making money, yes, now I'm making money to this channel. Yes, I can say like now this is like my job. Yes, but before this I was having another YouTube channel since 2016 up to now. That YouTube channel is still there, and this one my second YouTube channel. So you can understand how this thing, if you want to do on this platform, you have to be. It's not like you came today, you need tomorrow to start getting monetization, you start making money. It's not going to happen like that. Never ever. Please, if you came on YouTube, just do whatever you can do it. Post your content, do whatever you can do, share whatever you are just doing, then leave for YouTube to do his job. But don't say like, I came here to make money, why I'm not making money, why no view. Sometimes you can post a video, only 2 people are watching, 3 people are watching, 4 people are watching. What are you going to do? And I show you my first video 68, second video 80 something, third video 60 something, fourth video 70 something. So you can understand like how it's going to perform the time you came back again. Because while my first video and my second video I got 35,000 viewers, and the second one I got 10,000 viewers. But why this then, after I came back, after 2 years I came back on YouTube, how this thing happened, like to get like 80, 60, 30, 20, this, something like that, it's not going to make sense, because of that time you are not there, you are here. So once you drop again, you want to come back here, you have to push to come with something is gonna make you to be there. So guys, don't quit. I'm going to tell you, don't quit. If you're on this street, don't try to quit. There was one day, one time you're going to be on your position. Okay, so let us take that. Thank you very much guys. Please, and please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like and comment. And don't forget guys, if you're a small YouTuber, try to use your own content. Stop using someone content. One day, one time, you're going to get a copyright and the owner might report you. Then you're going to affect your YouTube channel. I know a lot of people, they do something like that without not having permission from the owner. That is going to kill your channel. Definitely it's gonna kill your channel, and you are going to get demonetized your channel. So anyway, thank you very much. See you next video. Bye bye.